For toughness, power, and smart technology, there's only one truck that always sets the bar, the Ford F-150, here at Royal Oak Ford. Providing the foundation for available best-in-class payload, the Ford F-150 gives you the ability to haul what you need for work or play. With the only high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body and steel frame in its class, the Ford F-150 makes tough tasks look easy. Stay connected on the job and on the weekend with Sync 3, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto technology. If you want to see more, come see me, Devin Carrier, or any of our other sales professionals here at Royal Oak Ford.